Hey guys, I'm Professor Peter. Today, the drug company Pfizer announced their new numbers about the new corona vaccine. In the previous video, I talked about their announcement on November 9th, which didn't have a breakdown on the numbers of cases in their clinical trial. But fortunately, they in this announcement today, they reveal more details. It's good, but still, I have something to talk about. I don't doubt anything, I am not suspicious of anything. Rather, using these announcement and numbers, we can learn more about the statistics and probabilities. So that's why I am recording this video. Okay, so today Pfizer announced that the corona vaccine, their corona vaccine has 95% effective. So it is more than before, which is good. The details are they got 170 confirmed cases out of their clinical trial, and only 8 cases were from a placebo group. So as we discussed, this clinical trial was done in this way. They had about 20,000 two groups, and they injected their vaccine to one group, and to the other group they gave a fake vaccine. And after a couple of months, they monitor these people, and they found out 170 corona cases, and only 8 cases came from the vaccine group. So, which is good. It should be small, right? So vaccine group cases should be small. So they said that this is a 95% effective vaccine. Okay? All right, so that means I summarize this. On today, they had 170 cases, and these are breakdowns. And on November 9th, they announced that they had 94 cases, and they didn't provide these numbers. They only said that the vaccine is 90% effective. Okay? According to the CDC guidelines, we have how to calculate the vaccine efficacy or effectiveness like this. So the risk from unvaccinated group minus risk from vaccinated group divided by risk among unvaccinated group. So it's very simple calculation. If you apply that, then you can recalculate the vaccine case and placebo case for November 9th announcement. Okay, so I calculate this. Well, some news articles show these numbers, but based on the Pfizer's announcement, they didn't say that number at all on the November 9th announcement here. Only 94 cases and 90 effectiveness. That's it. Anyway, Today's announcement shows all the details, including the effectiveness, 95%. I also calculate this number and I got the same answer, so which is okay. Interestingly, 2 days ago, another drug company, Moderna, announced that their vaccine has 94.5 effectiveness. These numbers are very good. As I said in the previous video, this is good news. 90% or 95 or 94, all are good news, right? But using these numbers, we can think about probability, statistics, and things like that, okay? All right, so the thing that I want to discuss is the difference between the announcement on 9th and the announcement on today. So how many cases were added? 76. 76 cases were added. Now, look at this part. In the vaccine group, there is no change. It's surprising, right? So 8 cases, 8 cases is the same. Only placebo case, the people who got fake vaccine got coronavirus. On 9th, 86 cases were reported, but now, today, 76 cases were added. Only here, not here, only here. Okay? So, here, there are 2 possible explanations about this. Let's talk about both. The first one is this. Look at this. Vaccine, placebo here. What's the ratio? That is 1 to 10, right? That means having the placebo case, I will just call it placebo case. The real meaning is the corona case from placebo group. Okay, corona case from placebo group has almost 90% probability, right? When they have 76 cases from this one to this one, each case should have some sort of a probability. Each case can be from a vaccine group or placebo group, but placebo group, the probability that it comes from the placebo group is 90%. But it happened how many times? 76 times in a row. Okay? So let's calculate that probability. So to get that probability, 90%, which is 0.9, that event happened 76 times. Okay? So you have to multiply 0.9, how many times? 76 times. Okay? To get the percentage, I'm going to multiply 100. We have a 0.033 percentage. That's the probability that all added case, 76 case, are from placebo group. It's weird, right? Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, I don't know. It's a very rare case. Another thing is Moderna announced their higher percentage, higher than 90, on 16th. Just 2 days later, Pfizer announced slightly higher number here. with very small probability. But here, although we are using statistics and probability, this is biology and medicine, right? So it will not work 100% based on the statistics. It is a kind of statistics and probability are just tools to analyze this situation. That's all right? So I don't want to be suspicious too much, okay? I would rather read some better message here. So another possibility for explaining this is this. From 9th to today, they added 76 cases, but they are all from a placebo group. What does that mean? It may be because vaccine is very, very effective. Vaccine will create immune in your body, right? It takes some time, right? So that's why we may have to get vaccinated maybe twice or 3 times for some cases, right? And I'm sure that this case, the added case from 94 to 170, those reported cases will be from later days, right? Maybe between, well, yeah, it's hard to say, but in the time span, a couple of months, they monitor the people who participate in this clinical trial. And from 9 to 18th, they added 76 cases. Probably this added case, the COVID case, happened very recently. Make sense? Recently added case are from all placebo group, which is good, right? So in vaccine group, these 8 cases happened already and no more added in this vaccine group. So I think it is good news as well, right? Okay, so using these numbers, I hope you to enjoy this probability and kind of a storytelling using mathematics and statistics and probability. Okay, right, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.